Wait. Hold on.
I got a perfect one right here.
Is that mine?
Right to the temple.
No.
Good?
What?
We good?
Yeah.
Good night, sir.
Oh.
Kill him
Oh,
again!
you're still moving? You're still moving, you fuck? You're gonna die.
No, easy go.
He's in the language. He's in the language.
Don't hit the boat, dude. You're gonna put a hole in the fiberglass. Oh, he got him moving.
Oh, they're both going!
They're going!
They're both!
How are they? I caught him again.
Stop!
This is such a horrific scene.
There's blood everywhere. There's blood everywhere.
Watch out, I'm gonna stab him.
There's blood everywhere.
Yo. Hey, damn it.
Get him both, get him both.
No. We're gonna get the mono.
Hit him for...
Oh, Lord. Oh, get him.
Dude, just please beat him to
I
submission.
think we're alright. Oh, alright.
Yeah, that's what we said about the last one. Dude, these are the strongest animals ever. So you hit him in the head with a little bat like that.
Warren, what should we do in these situations?
Stay calm! Get really fucked up.
No. Second answer.
Stay calm. Keep your composure.
That's it.
Dude, I'm getting shark blood on me.
I don't give a fuck.
Shark bait.
Fucker's gonna try to bite us if I don't fuck him up. That might have taken it a little bit too far, Chief.
Leave it in there.
Well,
Alright,
we
that's
got
enough
us
of this
two
shit.
dead fucking